Alright, welcome back to another video. This is not a Tesla video or a self-driving video. This is an electric bike video. I decided to get into electric bikes after doing a lot of research. There's hundreds of these videos online. So I don't even know if I'm going to upload this. I might not. But I wanted you to know my thoughts on an electric bike and the reason that I got the electric bike. I'm getting older, I'm getting fatter, I've got a bum knee. Typically I walk anywhere from 2 to 3 miles a day, and it's really starting to wear on my knee doing the walking. So I found an e-bike might help. So that's why I got the e-bike. Look at that. All right. I got the pass through, so, because there's no way I can get on this thing if there's a bar here. We used to call these girly bikes. All right, I don't know how much juice we got. It's not enough to be fully charged, but it should be enough to turn it on, go through the menus. Go. Pop that in place. Power. Ooh, that's pretty. You want to see? Here. Let me get you in here. Here she is in all her glory. Yeah, that's supposed to be either back or up, not down. So I will have to mess with that. But the tires all have reflective around them. That's cool. Here's the little doohickey that comes up like that. Then once you do that, put these bad boys wherever you want them. So, yep. And now they're permanently broke. All right. Anyway, so there's that. You got the pedal assist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I want to do, hold these two settings down. Then I go to 22. I want that on 1. Go to 8. I want that on 45. I go to 11. I want that on 1. What that does is gives me full speed at all times. Yeah, so if you have it on there the right way, it'll lock down like it's supposed to. Here it is in all its glory. Lectric usually does this package where they'll throw in some things, and they threw in the fenders, so I had to put the fenders on. This back one's not fun, the back wheel had to come off. But I got the fenders, I got this rack, I got a bag off of Amazon. And then you can see here the front fender, the upgraded headlight, etc. So, and of course you got to be safe, so I've got a helmet there. Anyway, that'll do it for this video. Hopefully you liked it. It's different from what I typically do. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.